Claude 3.7 Sonnet and Claude Code just changed the coding game forever. Here's what it meant for developers like us. I've been using Claude daily in my projects for months, and these powerful new tools from Anthropic have me genuinely excited about the future of AI assisted development. Today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about Claude's latest capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started with AI, Claude 3.7 Sonnet is Anthropic's most advanced AI model yet, labeled as their most intelligent model to date, and the first hybrid reasoning model on the market. What makes it so special? It combines two different thinking approaches. One, standard mode for quick responses. Second, extended thinking mode, where Claude can work through complex problems step by step. This hybrid approach mirrors how humans think. Sometimes we need quick answers. Other times we need to reason deeply. The extended thinking mode essentially lets Claude think out loud before answering, which dramatically improves performance on coding, math problems, and complex instructions. And for those concerned about pricing, Claude 3.7 maintains the same rates as earlier models: $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens, including the thinking tokens. Claude 3.7's coding capabilities are particularly impressive. According to Anthropic's benchmarks, it achieves 70.3% accuracy on software engineering tasks, significantly outperforming other leading models. Companies like Cursor, Cognition, Versal, Replit have found that Claude 3.7 Sonnet excels at understanding complex code bases, planning code changes, handling full stack updates, creating code with fewer errors, building sophisticated web apps from scratch. What sets Claude apart is its reasoning ability. It doesn't just perform match or template code solutions, but can actually think through programming problems methodically. What makes Claude 3.7 truly stand out is how it approaches reasoning. Unlike many other AI models that primarily rely on pattern recognition, Claude's extended thinking mode uses a process similar to human deliberation. When I compared Claude 3.7 to other leading models on complex coding tasks, I noticed it was much better at breaking down problems into logical steps, identifying edge cases before they become bigger problems, explaining its own reasoning process in a way that's actually helpful. This isn't just about answering questions correctly, it's about how it arrives to those answers, which makes a huge difference for real coding work. The most exciting part of this release is Claude Code, Anthropic's first agentic coding tool, available as a research preview. Claude Code transforms how we interact with AI for development instead of just chatting in a web interface. Claude Code operates directly in your terminal and can access and search through your entire code base. Edit files directly, write and run tests, commit and push code to GitHub. Use command line tools. In the demo from Anthropic, we see developers using Claude Code to understand a Next.js application, replace website components, add new feature, implement tests, fix build errors, and push changes to GitHub. The key innovation is Claude Code's ability to understand a project holistically without specific instructions. It analyzes your code base, identifies relevant files, shows its thinking process, and makes changes while keeping you in control. Let me share a quick example from my own experience. Last week, I needed to debug a React component that was causing performance issues in a larger application. Instead of spending hours tracing through dependencies, I asked Claude Code to analyze the component. Within minutes, It identified that I was re-rendering heavy component unnecessarily, suggested the exact memoization pattern I needed, and implemented the fix across multiple files. What would have been a half-day task took less than 15 minutes. Another impressive example, a developer at Vercel reported that Claude Code was able to migrate an entire application from REST APIs to GraphQL, updating front-end components, creating new queries, and maintaining type safety, all in a single session. For working developers, Claude Code is proving valuable for test-driven development, debugging complex issues, large-scale refactoring. Anthropic's team reports that during testing, Claude Code completed tasks in a single pass that would normally take over 45 minutes of manual work. As someone who uses Claude daily for coding projects, I can see how this will save countless hours of routine tasks, freeing up mental bandwidth for the creative and strategic aspects of development. As someone who integrates Claude into my daily workflow, I've noticed that my productivity has increased by roughly 30 to 40% since I started using these tools. But what's more valuable is how it's changed what I work on. Instead of spending mental energy on boilerplate code or hunting down bugs, I'm focusing more on architecture decisions and feature design. The quality of my code has improved because I'm spending more time thinking about the right patterns rather than just making things work. For creators and developers at my level, these tools are especially valuable. They essentially function as an intelligent collaborator that can help implement your vision faster. Even as a senior developer, I find that Claude accelerates my workflow by handling routine aspects of development, letting me focus on higher level architectural decisions, where my expertise adds the most value. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is available on all Claude plans, free, pro, team, and enterprise, as well as through the Anthropic API, Amazon Bedrock, and Google Cloud's Vertex AI. Claude Code is currently available as a limited research preview. You can join through Anthropic's website, and your feedback will directly shape how they develop the tool moving forward. Anthropic is now executing their multi-year vision for Claude's evolution. 2024 already achieved Claude Assist, helping individuals do their current work better, which we are seeing with Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Now in 2025, Claude collaborates, doing hours of independent work for you, which Claude Code represents the first step toward. 2027, the coming year, Claude pioneers finding solutions to challenging problems that would take teams years to solve. They're focusing on building AI that augments human capabilities rather than replacing them, helping us achieve more than we could alone. That's my breakdown of Claude 3.7 Sonnet and Claude Code. I'm genuinely excited about how these tools will transform our development workflows. For my next video, I want to showcase Claude solving your coding challenges. Drop a comment with specific coding problem you're struggling with, whether it's a bug, a feature implementation, or a refactoring task. I'll select one challenge and show you exactly how Claude handles it from start to finish. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to stay updated on AI tools that can dramatically boost your productivity. I'm posting weekly updates focusing on practical applications rather than just the hype. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the comments.